Hey everyone, today I am going to show the product called Findr, and you will get to know why it is helpful for you to use this for your work. Or even if you don't work and you have personally Google Drive and Google Workspace accounts, this is something going to help you. So the major pain point when we are using tools like Gmail and Google Drive, we tend not to find the files when we need it, because each files we need to search individually. In Gmail, I have to search for a topic that I am looking for. At the same time, I will need to find the files in OneDrive or Google Drive. How can we consolidate all these things? So when I start testing Findr, some of the things stand out to me. For example, when I go to integrations, you can see Gmail. So this is Gmail for Workspace. And the fun part is you can actually connect more than one Gmail account from your Workspace. Same for Google Drive, Slack, Notion, Jira, Confluence, Teams, and Office 365. Then you have OneDrive and SharePoint. So there are 3 items I can see. They are coming soon, which are Figma, GitHub, and Intercom. Imagine you have 3 businesses and you have 3 business emails. You can connect all of them individually over here or remove them depending on your needs. And you can do the same for Notion or Jira or Microsoft Outlook. So once this is done, you can just go to Home and you can select where you want to search. By default, it is selected, all of them. The power of this application is actually in the desktop, because you need the information on your hand instantly while you are doing your work on the computer. So they have the desktop assistant app in Windows and Mac. Let's take a look at the Windows app. What I will do, I will press Alt and spacebar. This is the default keyboard command assigned. So there it is. So you can see that the connectors you will be able to see here. And over here, these are the connectors currently available. So let me just try to find what are the topics or files related to blog post in the last year. So I'm going to type. Right now it's doing a search in the cloud and it will bring out. So it's much more natural way of asking that blog post related topics from which is last year. And you will notice the AI agent over here. You can also ask them things like, so these are the Gmail objects that has been captured. Then it also have some Google Sheets and then Notion. So all the things related with blog post has been listed over here, and you can ask it further questions using the AI. So this radically changed the game in a sense that you have a lot of files in a lot of places, especially in Google Drive and Gmail and Outlook and then OneDrive. So how do you consolidate the information? So this is why it becomes a very powerful tool for you. It helps you to immediately sort through all these things, take an action. So if you click here, you can actually go to the source. It will open in the browser. So it is as simple as that. Anywhere in Windows or Mac, when you are working, you can just press Alt space. It will pop up this window and you will be able to search. In the integrations, if I had added more items over here, it will also come in through the search result. Important things to notice that all of these connectors are actually native OAuth, waiting for the GitHub and Intercom, and I have few requests to them, such as Google Calendar. So you get the idea. Now I am going to show you the pricing for this and which one you can actually pick. Let me go back to the browser. This is their page. They have a lifetime deal and they have a total of 5 different plans. So you can see the overall review is okay. It's pretty good. Go to the plan details. So if you are an individual and you have Google Workspace or MS Teams or something, you can actually use the license tier 1, which is actually more than enough. I don't think you need more than 100 chat results per month, but depends on you. I would say for individual users, these 2 are pretty much okay. If you running a company, I think from tier 3 above, depending on the size of your company, like you can see the differentiator factor is actually the number of users and the number of chat, and of course the number of connected accounts. You have Workspaces in tier 2 above, and you can bring your own OpenAI key. In tier 5, you actually have unlimited users, unlimited accounts connected per workspace, and unlimited workspace. I think this is something that we're missing how we work. So I have been using this product for roughly around 1 week plus, and I think this is pretty well done finding things quickly. Because remember, one thing is very important, that when you go and search these cloud systems individually, you have to open up a new browser tab just to find. You may have lost track of your objective. So this is where Findr comes in, and this is a unique proposition. Not many applications actually offering this. Let me know what do you think, whether did it work for you or not. Alright guys, thanks. Okay, I will see you in the next video.